So here's how we can remove game ads on the iPad, and let's get started. So there are a few games which of course display ads in between, and there are some things you can do. First of all, the trick that a lot of people use is to turn off the internet connection. And so you can swipe down to access the control center and disconnect from the Wi-Fi, or you can also just stop using the cellular data if your iPad has that available. And by doing that, you can still continue to play the game, assuming it's an offline one, and you don't really get the ads as they just cannot be loaded. But of course, if it's a game which has or needs to use internet connection to access some server or connect to other people, well, in that case, this is not going to work. And the second possible option is to just pay for the premium version. A lot of games have what's called like a premium subscription or like a plus version, which will most likely remove the ads, right? So it's like you pay a fee and you don't get to see the ads anymore. And this is like the most common way how you can remove game ads on the iPad. It's like designed with this purpose. So yeah, these are the options. I would recommend you to just try out all of the things to see if it's going to work. But other than that, you don't really have any more possibilities with this. So let me know what you think below. Let me know about the way or the game that you are using. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll catch you later in the next videos.